Speak English fluently with no hesitation. Where are you going? I am going to the shop. What are you doing? I am writing notes. Do you like fruits? Yes, I love fruits. Are you fine now? Yes, I am fine. Can you run fast? Yes, I can run. Where do you live? I live in Agra. What is your name? My name is Neeraj. Are you free now? Yes, I am free. Do you ride a bike? Yes, I do. What do you want? I want some rest. Are you going inside? Yes, I am. Do you like that song? Yes, it's nice. Can I join you? Yes, join me. Is your friend here? Yes, he's here. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Are you sleepy? Yes, a little. Do you cook food? Yes, I cook. Is it sunny? Yes, very sunny. What are you writing? I am writing a story. Do you go walking? Yes, I go daily. Where is your wallet? It's in my bag. Are you ready now? Yes, I am ready. Do you like English songs? Yes, I do. What do you speak? I speak Hindi. Can you wait here? Yes, I can. Is this your phone? Yes, it is.